lost in 1,000 lands. I didn't need you that night, I'm gonna need you anytime. Just gonna take it as it goes. I could go forward in the night, but I better fold my clothes.
touching down a little bit early today. Right now, planning on touchdown right around 8:40. Should have you at the gate by about 8:50, just a few minutes ahead of schedule. Thank you very much for choosing Delta. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for takeoff.
Oh, this is cool.
Special assistant, Delta.
I'm sitting in the pilot seat now. I'm flying the airplane.
I got an A320 diving for the ribbon.
Not really.
How the mind is influencing the body, and in return how body is influencing the mind.
Alright, take care. Got to sit in the captain's seat again.
Yesterday, forget it. Tomorrow is present is right here with the breath. Watching India's Jesus piece hanging on the cross. We sit and discuss God on lawn chairs about how we got here, what it is and shit. Fate versus fate, scrimmaging with coincidence.
Alright, so I'm about back where I started from, the little Amtrak station I had to walk from. I got a shuttle this time from the airport, so it worked out. And I actually have a train ticket this time, which is good. I hope you enjoyed some of that Florida drone shots and stuff. I didn't vlog too much just because I was trying to spend time with my grandpa and all that while I was there, because I was only there for about 5 days. So back now, it's Thursday. I can't go back to school into the dorms until Sunday, so I'm getting on the train. Instead of going back that way to Milwaukee, I'm going to Chicago. So that should be fun. I'm gonna go to the parade this weekend. That'll be the next video. So yeah, thank you for watching this one. I'll probably throw some more stuff in there the rest of the day, but yeah, that's pretty much it for Florida. I mean, I'm back now. It's cold, it's gray, there's no green, there's no ocean. I might cry. But yeah, super thankful I got to go there for a few days. Do I look tanner? Maybe? No? Yes? No? I have to wait here though for like an hour. It's 12 o'clock. Yeah, and the train, 12:03, and the train comes at 1:09. So, there's not really much to do in there, but it's warmer. It's just a little unmanned station.
asking. I'd be lying on the beat if I said I didn't know what that is.
It's very quiet and cold, mostly quiet. Alright, so I guess according to that sign right there, it says I was supposed to call the shuttle service with the phone in there so that they knew I was here. See, I thought since like the train comes at a certain schedule, they would know to like send the shuttle. So when I waited for it for like 20 minutes last time, it never came. That would be why. So I guess that makes sense. And I didn't need to walk and destroy my suitcase, which I can't really pull anymore, but oh well. It was a nice walk. Got to see the back parts of the airport and stuff. That was the same guy that yelled at me last time for not having a ticket. He didn't see me though.
I use my veins to create the color I paint from. Delve into self until my heart becomes my paintbrush. I told my mama I'm not stopping till my name's up. Thinking those comments on that blog is gonna save us. Searching for everything but God to validate ya. Get insecure and then we start blaming the haters. Used to look to women to fill a part of me that was vacant. Truth, the only thing that I ever used in moderation. So
Well, as far as I know, I'm in Arlington Heights, and that's where I was trying to get to. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I'm really tired.
Stare into this paper instead of sitting at a cubicle. Take all the ugly shit inside and try to make it beautiful. Use the cement from rock bottom and make it musical, so that people can relate to where I've been, where I'm going, what I've seen, what I've heard from the guts. Fuck the glory, just a person on a porch putting it all into recording. Many in my past and many that came before me. I just keep walking my path and blessed to share my story.